Guys, today we're gonna open this ratchet strap box for our truck. They are retractable straps. Has some nice foam in here to protect these. These retractable ratchet straps are good up to hold 1,500 pounds. They are quick to install with at least 15 minutes of time. This is what we're looking like. Come with me. Also, it did come with all of the bolts and screws needed to install it. Here's a close-up of the retractable ratchet straps. Easy this is to use. There is a orange button here, a little toggle that you hold on to. You're going to go ahead and hold on to it, and you're able to pull it out as far as you can. I'll just do it into there. And then to get it to come back in, you're just going to hold the same orange button, and it slowly retracts back in. So smooth and so easy. Come with me. Let's install it on. The installation for the ratchet straps was very easy. All it was 4 bolts that you put in, 2 on each side, screw them in to the spot, and there you have it. They're finished. And here's the final look, all strapped in.